Hey, good morning, good afternoon. I was upstairs making my bed, and today is trash day. So you see what I have to do when you miss trash day. Well, anyway, I missed it probably about 2 minutes. They came over and kind of sat and wait for me for a second, and they seen that I wasn't coming, so they took off. I don't blame them. Today is trash day, and I'm just gonna burn my own trash here. Get some of these dry leaves here to keep the fire going. And just like that, we're gonna keep that bad boy roasting. Get my fire stick. Make a little fire soup. Try not to burn no plastics. Plastic's not good. But anyway, that's what you gotta do when you miss the garbage truck. You gotta burn your trash. A few little coconut shells. The coconut shells are kind of like charcoal. They're great to grill with, the coconut shells. Yeah, man, I missed the trash truck by at least 2 minutes. By the time I come down those steps there, I wouldn't have made it. So I was trying to avoid making a fire today. But it's good. It's good also too, kind of ward off some of the mosquitoes early this morning. But anyway, peace. Hey, like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.